Hi guys, this is Vandana Hasrani here. Welcome to my new series Chai Pe Charcha, under which I will be reviewing films, web series and products, all products related to beauty and lifestyle. In this section, today I will be reviewing a web series called Kadak Meethi on Oho Gujarati, which is Oho Gujarati is an OTT channel. In this series, Kadak Meethi, it's a season 2. I will be reviewing this. It is a very good series. It's a conversations between a mother and a daughter. The series is directed by Anish Shah, and the mother is played by Aarti Patel and daughter is played by Arushi. This series is a very fantastic series and it is quite entertaining. As the name suggests, Kadak Meethi means the conversation is happening between mother and daughter. Mother is in Ahmedabad and daughter is staying in Mumbai. She is working for a company and she is living in a shared flat with one of her colleagues. The mother and daughter, they both, over a cup of tea, they both discuss everyday problems that are brewing up in their respective lives. Sometimes the mother has problems and sometimes the daughter has problems, and both of them, they solve each other's problem. It's not that only the youngsters have problems. This series depicts that even the elders may be having problems which the youngsters can have a solution for. So it has a very humorous take and it is quite interesting series. So the series have around 5 episodes and each episode is around 12 to 15 minutes max. So it is quite interesting and I would recommend that you go and watch this series. You will not feel at all bored and you will not feel at all lethargic or anything about it. So each of the episode has a different story, and as the name suggests, the Kadak Meethi, like how the tea is kadak and meaty, which we all like. In the same way, even the life is kadak and meaty. Sometimes life is kadak and sometimes the life is meaty. Meaty is sweet. So as the situation is right now, it is not that good. It's kadak, but now even the meaty time will come. So this series of a mother and daughter, they all behave like they are friends. So I would suggest that this series has to be watched by all mothers and daughters, which is quite needed at this time, because there are a lot of differences of opinion and between the young, there is a generation gap. So I would suggest that this series is a much needed series at this point of time in each and everyone's life. So do watch this series, and both the actors have done a fantastic job and they have totally played the characters as per more than their forte, and they have done it in a real way. It looks like they are really mother and daughter who are having a regular conversation between themselves. It doesn't look as if they are acting for a web series, but you will feel that you are having a conversation with your mother. It gives that real touch has been given in the series. So do watch this series on Oho Gujarati OTT channel. Thank you. Stay tuned in for more reviews coming up. Thank you.